Hey, Heath Phelps here with Texas Pressure Washing Store. Just wanted to go live and talk about a giveaway we're doing. So once our channel hits 5,000 subscribers, we're going to be giving away a skid, which is either a 5.5 foot skid, a 6 foot skid, or an 8 foot skid, which is the winner's option. And on that skid, we'll be having the 18-inch reel with a 5/8 inch soft wash hose, a 3/4 inch 100-foot Flexilla hose, and a 200-foot pressure washing hose, one wire. We'll also have a Honda IGX 800 10 gallon a minute unit, as you see there. And we'll have an AR-45 or a P-40, either one, based on supply. Probably some other surprises with a 200-gallon buffer tank, ladder rack, and two 55-gallon chemical tanks and a 7-gallon soap tank. And our turnaround time for these is about a week for a skid and about 2 weeks for a trailer. With the holiday weekend coming up, it's about 2 weeks for anything. But let's see, that's about it. Oh, all electric reels too on those, and 1-inch high flow system with a remote mixer. So we look forward to everybody's support, and we can't wait to give this away. So make sure you like, subscribe, and share the channel. Thanks, guys.